Did you know that your hair keeps score? It's true. Chaos, stress, trauma, all trapped right here. And all of that doesn't just weigh on your mind. It literally speaks to your body. And for millions of men and women, that stress conversation ends with thinning hair, receding hairlines, and pattern baldness that feels totally out of control. But what if I told you that your hair isn't broken? It's just responding. And that response has a name, DHT. You see, when your body's under stress, whether it's emotional, physical, or hormonal, your system releases signals that trigger inflammation and hormonal imbalance. And one of those shifts activates the enzyme that converts your natural testosterone into DHT, which is also known as dehydrotestosterone. But here's the problem. Too much DHT basically tells your hair follicles, hey, you're done, stop growing. And that's how male and female pattern baldness begins. Not just from genetics, but from imbalance, stress, and overload. And that's why I created Main Attraction. It's a formula that doesn't just hide symptoms, it goes after the root cause. Our capsules use a powerful lineup of natural DHT blocking herbs and nutrients that work synergistically to calm hormonal chaos and restore your scalp's natural growth environment. Inside we've got FODI. That's the legendary longevity root that's known to restore pigment and revitalize growth. We also have saw palmetto, which has been clinically shown to block DHT and reduce hair follicle shrinkage. There's also fenugreek and nettle, which are super nutrient dense herbs, and they help boost scalp circulation. Then we have acerola cherry and zinc glycinate. These feed your follicles rich antioxidants and also has collagen building support. And let's not forget about schizandra berry, astragalus, and rosemary, which all calm stress hormones, improve blood flow, and reawaken dormant roots. So Main Attraction doesn't just make your hair look healthier, it actually helps your body become healthier. Because when you reduce DHT buildup, you're restoring balance to your hormones, your hair follicles, and even your nervous system. You'll have less shedding, more volume, natural growth, and it's your body saying, hey, I remember how to restore myself. As a restored identity, we believe true restoration happens when you address the root, not just the symptom. So if the stress of life or your hormones or trauma have been showing up on your scalp, it's time to answer back with restoration. Grab your Main Attraction.